going on, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom, and today I'm going to be reviewing a new Salehe Bembury Crocs Sasquatch. Let's get into it. First, we're going to start off with the box. As we all know, it's a ball brown box. It has the two little fingerprints on top of the box. On the side of the box right here, it says Crocs, the Crocs Pollex Clog. On this side over here, it just says Crocs Salehe Bembury. But then we're going to get to the front of the box, and it reads Salehe Bembury times the Pollex Clog. And the colorway is just showing black. Let's get into the inside. Opening up the box. Pretty much nothing on the inside. You just got that same normal tissue paper. That's all white tissue paper, and it came with this right here that separated the two shoes. Otherwise, that's it for the inside. So let's get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Crocs and Salehe Bembury Sasquatch. All right. First of all, I want to start off by saying this colorway right here, this is the one. It's something about having an all black shoe that you could just throw on, run, do errands, do whatever you want to do in them, and it's just a clean shoe and it's different. I love the way he made this with his fingerprint, the outline of the shoe. It just, it takes it to a totally different level. We're so used to seeing a normal Crocs, that everyone's wearing, but when you have these on right here, somebody gonna look down at your feet because they just know that those are different and they're wondering what are they. But little do they know, they are actually Crocs, and it's just an imprint of Salehe Bembury's fingerprint, which I thought was very different in the shoe. So let's go ahead and get into the description. As I said, you still got this all black. I'm not gonna say it's EVA foam. It's kind of just like a rubber material I would go with, but it still reminds me of EVA foam that's in the Yeezy slides and in the foam runners. So I would say it's kind of similar material, maybe not the same exact material, but a little similar, because those are a little bit more cushiony, and those two different styles, and these are not as cushiony. So that's, to me, that's the only difference I would say when you go from thinking about what shoe you want to go with. Do you want to go with these Crocs right here, the Salehe Bembury Crocs, or do you want to stick with going with a foam runner or easy slide? Personally, look wise, I would definitely go with these right here because I love the look. I love just how they look different, and it's a solid shoe. And like I said, it's a Croc, so we all know that Crocs are very durable. But overall, comfort wise, I'm still going to give it to number one. I gotta go with the Yeezy slide because to me it just has the most cushion in it and it's just very comfortable. Then number two, definitely I'm gonna have to go with the foam runner because those are super comfy also. And then I'm just gonna put these in a number three, even though number three is not a bad number three. It could be a number one or number two, but it's just the fact of the cushioning that's inside of those two is just a little bit more comfortable. But overall, this shoe right here is still very comfy, and I do find myself wearing these a little bit more than my actual foam runners and my slides nowadays. I pretty much pull these out if I'm gonna go somewhere, run a couple errands or do whatever. I actually grab these right here and throw them on just because they look different, and it's a different shoe, and I like the way they made this design. So overall, like I said, these are still very clean, but like I said, all black. It's like a rubbery EVA foam material, but if it's not EVA foam, I'm quite sure somebody gonna let me know down in the comments below that I'm wrong. So let me know what kind of material you think it is, but overall it's just, like I said, a rubbery EVA foam type of material. Then you got this like black translucent hint right here on top of the toe of the shoe, and it goes all the way down to the bottom right here, all the way to the bottom where you still got that whole fingerprint down there on the bottom of the shoe. Still in the back, you still got that little hint of that black translucent right here on the back of the heel, also still going all the way down to the bottom of the shoe. Overall clean. You still on the back of this pull tab right here, it says Crocs Salehe Bembury right here on the back of the strap. Then, as you know, we got these two little velcro straps right here on the back of the heel, which is, to me, is a lifesaver, because if you do happen to get the wrong size in these right here will help you out a lot, because you're able to make them a little bit tighter than it would be if you didn't have these on the back, like a normal Croc doesn't have this actual pull tab. Yeah, they don't. I don't think they do on the back of the actual Croc. So that's another good part about the shoe. On this little button right here, you got Salehe Bembury Crocs right there on that little button. Inside the shoe, you just got Crocs and Salehe Bembury. on the inside of the shoe right here. Also, he let you know everywhere pretty much on the shoe that it's a Salehe Bembury Crocs collaboration, so that's pretty clean. I like that part of aspects of the shoe, but overall just very clean. It's black. I mean, you can't go wrong with black. You could definitely wear these with everything. I mean, whatever you want to wear them with, you can put them on, throw them on with. Out of the colorways, I know he had a couple colorways out now. These are gonna be my number one colorway just because it's black and it goes with everything. But when I like to be loud, a little different, I throw on the cobblers or either the Sasquatch or either the Tide one. So either way, either of those three are very nice. I don't have any of the ones that came out last year that first came out at the beginning. I know it was like a white, a green pair, like a tan color. Wasn't able to get none of those, and those resale prices are ridiculous, so I definitely won't never get those. But I'm happy with the 4 pairs I have, and I think they're just a very clean shoe. And of course, I must like them because I'm on my 4th pair. And before I said I wasn't gonna buy any of them, so I like this black pair. I think it's very clean. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Did you go for them or did you pass on them? I was able to hit on his actual website, Be a Sponge, and I just want to throw my little rant out about that. That $25 for shipping, and it took over 3 to 4 weeks to ship. I think that's ridiculous. Like, if you're gonna take that long to ship, then don't charge that much for shipping. Go ahead and just choose a normal shipping price so you don't have to pay as much. $25, that should have been like next day air or 2 days shipping. That's just what I had to say about that. But overall, finally got them. Finally came in today, and I am happy with the shoe. Just not happy with the shipping being spun, so y'all could do a little bit better. But overall, very clean. This was the left shoe. Right shoe, it looks the same way. Not gonna go over the details on this one because it looks exactly the same way. Only thing different about this one is it comes with a little pull tag that says Crocs Salehe Bembury on the side right here, and that's pretty much it. Overall sizing, if you don't know by now, you need to go a whole full size down. Do not go with your normal size because they're going to be too big. So make sure you full size down and you should be good to go. Some people I know even go down 2 sizes. I'm just going to recommend 1 size and then you should be good to go because I went down 1 size and it's a little extra room, but once I pulled the little pull tabs right here, then it's all good, especially if you're going to have them on with socks. But if you're going to wear them without socks, it still should be good because of this little Velcro thing right here. You should be good to go. So overall, very clean, nice Croc. Probably be my last pair. Well, I'm not even going to say that. Last pair for now because that's all they got coming out. But I know he's going to have plenty of other colorways. But overall, to me, black is the one we needed. And I'm happy we got it. So y'all let me know what y'all think about these. Did you go for them or did you pass on them when it came out? They retail for $85, which we all know. $85 for a Croc, but it's a collaboration. So that's why it costs that much. Other than that, clean, nothing else for me to say. That's all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Hit that like button, because if you're watching this long, you might as well go and hit the like button anyway. And if you do, also follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And that's pretty much all I got for y'all. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.